Nouns and adjectives. What is a noun? A noun is a word for a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. It can be concrete, like something you can actually see or touch, or abstract, like a thought or idea, and can be a common or proper noun. A noun is a name of a person, like here we see a girl, a doctor, or a kid named Albert. Here I have a common noun, and that name, Albert, is a proper noun. A noun is a name of a place. A mountain, Rizzle Park, that's actually a proper noun because that's the name of this monument, and a school. A noun is a name of a thing, like a book, a sunflower, or a car. Again, I see some common nouns and a proper noun. A noun is a name of an animal, like a dog, a sphinx, which is the name of a type of cat, and a bird. And a noun is a name of an idea. Now, this is where the nouns become a little bit more abstract, like the concept of love, friendship, or of thought or idea. All right, activity time. Let's give this a shot. We're going to do an activity called Finding Nouns. I'm going to read a sentence, and I want to see if you can find the nouns in the sentence. Sentence number 1 says, "My grandpa bought a fresh pizza for the family." Well, remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, animal, or a thought or idea. Can you find a noun in this sentence? Can you find more than one nouns in this sentence? I thought so. The first noun in this sentence is grandpa. He's a person. And what did he do? He bought a fresh pizza. That's our next noun for the family. Grandpa is a person, pizza is a thing, and our family is also a thing made up of many people. All right, sentence number 2. 2 elephants crossed the busy road. Can you find a few nouns in this sentence? The first noun in this sentence is elephants. These are animals. And what did they do? They crossed the busy person, place, or thing, the busy road. All right. Now, sentence number 3. I have 3 pencils and 2 ball pens. Can you find nouns in this sentence? We have 3 pencils, that's a thing, and 2 ball pens, another thing that we have. All right, sentence number 4. The neighboring countries achieved peace without war. This one's a little bit trickier, but I think you can find some nouns in this sentence. First of all, countries. Those are our places that we're talking about. And yes, we're talking about a plural noun here, more than one country. And the next noun in this sentence is a little bit tricky because this is not a thing that we can actually touch or hold, which would be a concrete noun. This is an abstract noun because peace is kind of an ideal or a thought, right? Not something we can actually hold in our hands. And there's one more noun in this sentence. War. Without war, that is a thing. All right. Annika has an orange cat and 2 black dogs. What nouns do you spot in this sentence? Well, first of all, we start the sentence with a proper noun, Annika. That's a person, and that is specifically her name. She has an orange cat, an animal or a thing, and 2 black dogs. Did you find all of these nouns? Great job. All right, what is an adjective? Well, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjectives can tell us how something looks, feels, sounds, tastes, or how much or how many there are. All right, let's take a look at these same nouns that we had earlier, but now we're going to find some adjectives. Remember, an adjective can describe a person. So now we have a girl, but we have a happy girl. We have a friendly doctor. And our kid over there on the right-hand side named Albert, even though that's a proper noun, I can still describe Albert using an adjective. I can say Albert is funny. Funny is the adjective that describes Albert. An adjective can describe a place, like a tall mountain, or the famous Rizzle Park, or an elementary school. An adjective describes a thing, like a non-fiction book, a yellow sunflower, and a fast car. An adjective describes an animal, like this playful dog, the hairless Sphinx cat. Did you know that Sphinx cats are hairless? And this blue bird. An adjective describes an idea, like lots of love. We're describing how much love we have. We have lots of love. A meaningful friendship, or a first thought. Now, let's look at these same sentences again where we found the nouns and see if we can spot the adjectives in these sentences. And I'll give you a hint. To find the adjectives, take a look for the nouns, because you know that adjectives are always going to be used to describe the nouns. All right, the sentence was, my grandpa bought a fresh pizza for the family. Well, I see one adjective right away. What kind of pizza was it? It was a fresh pizza. Sentence number 2 says, 2 elephants crossed the busy road. Ooh, how many elephants were there again? Oh yeah, there were 2. 2 describes how many elephants there were. And busy describes that road. I have 3 pencils and 2 ball pens. Well, in this sentence, I used numbers to describe what I have, 3 pencils and 2 ball pens. The neighboring countries achieved peace without war. Well, if I have those 2 countries side by side, that's describing them, right? They're neighboring countries. Sentence 5, Annika has an orange cat and 2 black dogs. I have colors here to describe the animals, but wait a second. I don't have just 1 black dog. I have 2 black dogs. So in this sentence, we actually used 2 adjectives in a row to describe those dogs. All right, let's go ahead and wrap up our lesson for today. Now remember, nouns and adjectives work together to paint a picture with words. Nouns give us the who or what, and the adjectives add color, feeling, and detail. Remember, whether you're talking about places, things, or people, adjectives help make your stories and descriptions come to life.